In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Adobe Acrobat. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Adobe Acrobat landing page. This is the main entry point where you can access Acrobat online and manage your documents, tools, and account features. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure everything is fully visible on screen so it's easier to follow along. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. This will take you to Adobe's secure login screen where you can enter your account details. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, so just wait for the sign-in form to appear. On the login screen, type in your email address in the field provided. If you originally created your Adobe account using another sign-in method, you can also choose to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple instead. The important thing here is to use the same sign-in method you used when setting up your Adobe account. Otherwise, you may end up in the wrong account or be prompted to create a new one. After entering your email address, click Continue. This tells Adobe to move to the next part of the sign-in process and confirm how your account is set up. If you accidentally enter the wrong email, you can usually go back and correct it before continuing too far. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Carefully type your password into the password field. Since passwords are case sensitive, make sure your capitalization is correct. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's also a good idea to avoid saving your password in the browser for security reasons. Once your password is entered, click Continue again. Adobe will verify your information, and if everything is correct, it will sign you in. If your password doesn't work, double check for typing mistakes, especially extra spaces or the wrong keyboard language. After that, you'll be taken to the Adobe Home dashboard. This is where you can access your Acrobat tools, recent files, and other Adobe features connected to your account. From here, you're successfully signed in and ready to start working. That's all it takes to sign in to Adobe Acrobat. If you follow these steps in order and use the correct login method, the process should be quick and straightforward.